So this was a little class exercise exam I gave you on a company moving away from a fixed 40-hour working week for employees. Many employees now work irregular hours from home, so the company must implement a new system to keep track of the hours worked by each employee so they can be paid correctly. So I give you this starter program here, and if we look at it in a bit more detail, starter program had days as a list, and it contains the days of the week, your Monday, your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all string values for the days. Then you're given a variable called employee, which takes an input, enter employee name, so that's just the name of the employee. You've got hard-coded pay rates of $10.50 and total hours of 40. And to calculate the total pay, you multiply the pay rate, $10.50, by total hours, 40. And then you've got a little F formatting here. This is just a way of string formatting, and basically this F you put at the start and you put what you want inside curly brackets. So that will take the place of the employee, whatever name we put in, and this will take the place of the total pay. So for example, if I run this program and we'll say John, and as we said here, John was paid €420 after I calculated the 40 by the €10.50 this week. Do one more example. Jane, and Jane was paid the same because there's no change in that. So that's just a bit of background to it. See you for part A in the next video.